Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, you're probably wondering why we in the garage. Well, we already got the thing we got out of our garage, and today we'll be doing a first-person view on that thing. Yeah. So we're just gonna have to see if it still starts, though. Hasn't been started in a while. And it's like 90 degrees out here. We're gonna bring it over to the sidewalk out. Gonna go this way first. And then real quick. Cause I just remembered about that. A helmet's always good. Where's my helmet? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, I'm hands-free. Good. We're wearing this harness thing, testing it. What does that mean? Okay, I got it. This is my helmet right here for motorcycle. Pretty nice, huh? My phone don't fit. I don't know if my head will fit either. It could be too small now. The bike's literally, I'm like twice the size of the bike. Like, bro. Alright, let's. I don't know if y'all can still hear me through this helmet, but we got it on. And we're gonna start it. So, flip this. Flip this. Pump it about 6 or 10 times. That's 10 right there. And we try to start it. Go! Let's go like 2 tries, bro. Alright, here we go. They barely fit on, bro. They barely fit on. Also, guys, like, my phone's literally all over the place. actually going pretty good. Whoa! I got hit by that tree branch, bro. Ow! I got hit by the tree branch. We'll do one more. About the size of mine. You can actually see it in some of my videos. And we play basketball together. I didn't expect this horn to Anyways, guys, we got a gas in here. I have a lot of gas, I think, in there, but it's pretty kind of old. And that'll be the end of today's video. Flip this switch off. I waited like since this morning to record this video, bro. Flip that down. Oh, look at it playing. Oh no, I can't see it on my camera. It's flying really low. Anyways, guys, that'll be at the end of today's video. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. You never miss out on another video. And peace.